Gambit face reveal. Here we go. Starting out, we got the keyboard, or the Legato or something like that. Legato 3, I think. I don't really play on it, but it's nice to have if I want to like learn something really fast or if I have people over. It's pretty nice. It does everything I want it to do. I'd recommend it, but I need to play it more. Moving on to the next place, we got the twin size bed. So that's about all I need. I kind of need a bigger bed, but it is what it is. All right, next up, we got my project station over here, which is pretty scuffed, but it gets the job done. So basically, I do like different things like 3D printing, for example. I 3D printed this knife right here. It's a Halo knife, and it's pretty insane that I made this first try. It's pretty cool. But this is where I work on it. It gets pretty messy, and that's really all there is to this. I need to work on it more because it looks kind of weird and lame, so I'm gonna fix that. Next up, we got the setup, and I have to fix this monitor because it keeps turning off and I hate it. So we got the setup here. We got the triple monitor setup, which they're all different because I'm broke. And we got my microphone, which is a Audio-Technica AT2020, I believe. We got my Corsair keyboard. It's a mini keyboard. I can't remember the name of it, but I know it's like one of Corsair's only small ones. It might be the only one. And then we got the mouse, which is also Corsair, but I can't remember the name of it. And then we got my audio interface, which I plug my mic into and all that. So we got the monitors, all the top set up. Now let's move on to the PC. Ignore my cable management, it's pretty bad. I'm gonna try to avoid showing you. All right, here it is. Here's the monster, here's the beast. So, bro, my finger keeps getting in the way. As you can see, there's like every fan possible on this thing. I got the crazy Corsair RAM going ham, and I got my graphics card. I'll leave all the specs in the description if you're interested. But I got the Lian Razer case, which is really cool. And it's a beast, I'll be honest. It's really good, does everything I need it to do. Looks cool, and I'm happy with it. Also forgot to show off my chair. It's just an office chair, which by the way, if you're buying gaming chairs, you're probably getting scammed because office chairs are way better. But they do get pretty pricey if you get the expensive ones. Over here, we got my 3D printer. I'm sure you guys have seen these. They basically print this stuff called filament onto this plate thing right here, and it makes stuff from nothing, which is pretty insane. And it's right on top of my mini refrigerator, which I have a bunch of stuff in here that I don't even know about. So I have like some Sprite cranberry back here, and I'm sure it's super flat. So yeah, I got some Sprites, and I have one of these drinks in the bottom that I don't like. Don't buy this. And that's really all I got because I'm broke. So yeah, let's close that up. Now my favorite part of the room is like this entertainment station area. So we got this table right here, which you can sit down at and you can eat. I got this wax melt thing, which if you turn the light on, it like melts this wax and it makes your room smell good. It's pretty cool. I got some record coasters. So they're like records, which is pretty sick. I got like a little fountain over here, and I got my Samsung watch. And then I got entertainment center. So I got my futon couch, which used to be my bed because I didn't want a bed in my room. And I regretted that. So I got my normal bed, and now I got this as just a couch. I got all my guitars right here because I like to play guitar. I haven't really played much recently, but I have my 7-string Ibanez guitar right here for when I want to go hard on the guitar and play some like Doom stuff. Then I got my main guitar, which is, it's also, no, it's Jackson, not Ibanez, this one. I hate Ibanez because all my Ibanezes have problems. So this is my other Ibanez. It has problems. I don't like it anymore. Then I got this acoustic guitar, which is Recording King apparently. It was a gift. Then I have this Epiphone acoustic guitar, which is pretty cool. Now we got the TV, the 4K TV, and I got speakers on each side for when I want to play music. And it gets the job done. It's not huge, it's like 55 inch, but it gets the job done. And I have a bunch of windows, which has a good view, which view reveal might be like at 100,000. So we got my amp over here, which is a Boss Katana amp with the cabinet. It sounds really insane. And down here, there's something, I don't know what this is, but let's see. It's like a long stick. Yo, it's a lightsaber. Yeah, I'm a nerd, but this thing's pretty insane. As you can see, I would recommend buying a lightsaber. Definitely do it. And that's all I got for the room tour. Hopefully it wasn't trash. It probably was. So let's move on to the face reveal and then the Q&A. The time is finally here. Are you guys ready for the Gambit face reveal? Here we go. Alright, so for the first question we have, what editor do you use? I use Adobe Premiere Pro. It's alright. I enjoy it. It's pretty professional, but I have problems with it sometimes, so that makes me not like it as much. When did you start YouTube? I think on my channel it says like 2017 or something like that, but that's when I started it. How experienced are you in editing? Not very. I really just learned everything on my own, so I'm not too great. Do you have a girlfriend? Yes, Mary Jane, Gwen Stacy. Those are two of my girlfriends I've had. New Year's resolution is to, I don't even know. I don't really have one. Just keep grinding and move up in life. That's really all I got to do. When did you go viral? What's your most popular video? I think the most popular video I have is my first video just because it's so old. Do you love your fan base? No. I'm just kidding. Of course I do. Come on. What kind of question is that? What's your address? Will you show us how to make a tutorial to make thumbnails like you? No. Are you going to do a face reveal in the future? No, because it's in the past at this point because I just did it. Are you going to reveal your setup? Yes. Who inspired you to make videos? Myself. Since when did you start doing designs? Man, I think 6th grade, but I didn't really take it seriously until I started the channel. So maybe like 3-4 years. What's your favorite GFX pack? Probably Retro Pack by Gambit Creates. It's probably my favorite one. Do you have any big plans in 2022? Actually, yes. I think that I might have found a good investment that could maybe make it to where I don't have to work a 9 to 5 in 2022, maybe 2023, but that's my goal. When did you start using Photopea? I think when I started my channel, so about 2017 probably. How gay are you? What's your dream car? If you have a car, what is it? My dream car is... That's a good question. I don't really know. I like the DeLorean. That's probably one of my favorites. I like a Nissan Skyline. I like all the JDM cars. Those are like my favorite cars, I'd say. I don't really have a favorite car. Actually, I changed my mind. I think Corvette is my favorite car. I like the C7 and the C8. Those are really sick. But yeah, those are probably my favorite cars. What is your favorite game of all time? I'd have to say BioShock for sure. Either the first or second. It's just by far my favorite game. No question. It's an amazing game. How did you find Photopea and what is your favorite part about it? I found Photopea. Actually, that's a good question. I have no idea how I found it. Like, I literally just remember always knowing it. I don't know how I found it. My favorite part about it is that it's on a website and it's super easy to access and fast. You don't have to wait for it to boot up and deal with all that. Are we going to do a Valentine competition like we did with Halloween and Christmas? Probably not, because I don't think it'd be as interesting. When will you bring back reviewing your channel art? Well, it hasn't gone anywhere. I just haven't uploaded one of those in a while, so it's still there. I just haven't uploaded it. In 5 years, what do you expect your content will look like? Non-existent. If you were the last person on Earth and could save anyone in the world, who would it be? Probably Gwen, just because I failed the first time. But yeah, that's probably what I would say. Do you like watching football? If so, what team do you support? I don't watch football and I don't really like it, but my favorite team, if I were to choose one, would probably be the Green Bay Packers, just because that's what my dad likes. So yeah, that's my answer for that one. Am I good at GFX? No, I'd have to say no. Do you ever plan to do editing tutorials or just overall diversify your content? I'd say no for video editing, but I will probably diversify my content a bit more. Can you give Robux or can you make Roblox GFX? No, I'm not going to give you Robux. Those are mine. and I will probably make more Roblox GFX videos just because you guys like it. Do you plan to make another GFX pack or a video about how to make them, which I just did? Okay. Second part is now invalid because you make a video like 2 days after it's supposed to. Okay, thank you. He acknowledged it. I don't have any plans for another graphics pack. It takes a lot of time and I don't really have any interest for it, so probably not anytime soon. When is your face reveal? Right now. When is your birthday? What is your religion? This guy's trying to kill me. Photoshop or Photopea? Hot take? I'd say Photopea. Sorry. That's just how it is. What's your opinion on furries? Will you do more templates? Probably. Do you have a gaming channel? Yes, it's Cambit on YouTube, just Cambit. Are you planning to get into more advanced graphic design that includes softwares? Also, what do you look forward to in 2022? I'll get into more advanced tutorials, but I don't know about more software. I look forward to my investments. I'm gonna keep saying that. I think they're gonna do good. How do you promote your works and gigs instead of YouTube? As a beginner, should I bring customers to my website or to my Fiverr profile? So first off, you want to bring them to your Fiverr profile to show them that you have something to offer. And then if they enjoy your stuff, they'll go to your website after. It just makes more sense that way. And you promote it, just like post stuff on Reddit, or I don't really know promotion that well, but just try finding other platforms to promote it on. But don't be annoying about it. And maybe do some collabs to get your name out there. What really made you want to start creating these type of videos that you create today? And do you have any advice for new creators, basically? I don't really know. I don't really know why I started making videos or why I wanted to. But, well, obviously to help people, but I don't really know any other reasons. New advice. Sorry, I can't see it. I literally cannot see anything out of this thing, so it's kind of hard for me to read. Any advice? I would say, well, I don't follow any of this because I'm lazy. But stay consistent. That's number one. Have something to offer. And it'd be best if it's something that a lot of other people don't have to offer. So be unique about it. And that'll definitely help you in the long run because people want to see new stuff. Do you make your thumbnails with Photopea? If you do, could you make a Photopea tutorial on how you make them? Yes, I actually do make my thumbnails in Photopea. And a tutorial, I'd have to say no because every thumbnail is different. Do you like Italy? Italy's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't really know anything about it, but it's cool. And I have never been to Italy, so that's a no. That's gonna have to conclude the Q&A. I hope you guys enjoyed the face reveal and this video. I'm sorry, I feel kind of sick, so this was kind of hard to make. And I literally can't see out of this. So I apologize for that. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for 10,000. Let's keep going. Woo!